Hey, hey, this is Kelsey Rae. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping right back into dogs doing funny things. They always make me smile, and I hope they make you smile as well. Let's jump right in where we left off. Here we go. That's a lot of water. I think it's full.
Oh, he's a baby.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh, those puppy eyes. How could you do that? I couldn't. I would give it in a second. Oh, you don't want to be left out. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
What was that? Like Nickelodeon goo. Yeah. Just keep going and see what you could get away with, right?
You can have it.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
Yeah. I actually don't put collars on my dog just for that reason. I mean, I put a harness on her when we go out, but I feel like collars just end up getting stuck on things, and that could be really dangerous, especially if you're not home. Just scary. But I'm glad he's okay. Oh! Oh no.
Where the did you get that? It looks like a fucking sword. I'm afraid of you right now. I'm so scared of you. Get in the house, you weirdo.
It's like babies, right? You give them a present and they end up playing with like the paper of their box. I think it was just like the lid to his toy box. Just more fun.
Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
He looked so happy and content in there. They must have like exhausted him with a walk or run, and he's just like chilling. He's good now. Oh,
What
my
you doing?
God.
What are you doing on there?
So pretty. He's like sunbathing on the slide. What else am I doing? It's all warm on there.
Oh my goodness. Hi. You got a pizza?
Bill? Good girl.
Jersey! Way to go!
Can you ring the bell? Can you ring the bell?
Come here.
Good.
That's cute.
George,
And then you just leave the bell. They would probably be just like ringing the bell all day long for snacks.
what are you looking for?
My dog will just take all her toys out of the basket and then not want to play with them. She just doesn't want them in there. She just takes them all out and just leaves them everywhere. I feel like it's always the little ones that are the feistiest.
Chi è stato?
He like scared himself. He's like, what was that? What just happened?
Chi è stato?
Oh.
Rudy? Rudy?
Oh.
Sei stato te? Che hai fatto?
I felt like he was protecting him. It was definitely the other dog's fault, right? Oh. That was a good catch, and I think he just swallowed it whole.
No idea if you're going to be able to get in this, but let's give it a crack. Hey, Dusty, guess what? Try it out. Go on. Up. Up. Up.
Ooh.
Oh, you tried. One more go. Come on. Up. 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 Hey, don't get mad. No, don't get mad. You're not part of this. You are not part of this.
What's done now? Oh.
Oh my
no.
goodness. 3 hours.
You two. Oh, gee.
I'm so grateful when my dog does not enjoy just like rolling around in mud and grass. She just high maintenance, I don't know, but I am grateful that she doesn't do that because her fur is like so thick, and I couldn't even imagine 3 hours in a whole bottle of shampoo. And I'm gonna probably just do it again. Ooh, slow-mo. Wow.
You're nutty.
Artie, what's in your mouth? Artie! Drop it. Bad dog. Artie! God darn you.
I don't know what it was, but I was surprised that he listened, especially because it's a puppy.
I'm scooching right here if you don't mind. Shh.
So cute.
Right.
He's trying to get comfy. Oh. So cute.
That's my spot. Oh, what the?
Celeste.
Okay, my dog kind of does something similar, and let me know in the comments why you think they do that. Like, do they know that you're gonna like kick them out of the bed? Like, they're in the beginning when I first had my dog, I would have to make her get all the way out of bed because she would get like really upset like once you get in. I don't know if she thought she was gonna be like kicked out or something, but she did get a little scary sometimes. I don't know if they're like just defending themselves. Does your dog do something similar? Why do you think they get like that?
¿Te gustan? No.
Oh.
Hey, it's okay.
Yikes. They're just loving. That's terrifying. I'd be so scared. Like, mm-mm.
Buster,
Adorable.
preparado para un rinraje? ¿Estás preparado?
Get out of here.
Replacement leaving the forge is. Well, unfortunately,
Whiskey!
did not make the cut.
Stop licking the wall.
All three of you made really good fillers that worked really well. Yours is the only one that took bench.
Don't lick.
Oh, dangerous. Hmm.
You want to go to Grandma's?
That was adorable.
You want to go to Grandma's? You want to go to Grandma's?
You want to go to Grandma's?
Quiet,
speak. Quiet, speak. Shh. Quiet. Quiet, speak. Good girl.
So sweet. Oh, so scared.
Snack time.
That's how you know it was a good snack. Dangerous.
Drip, drip, drip.
I can't be clean water. Gross.
A dormir. A dormir.
That's so
He listened.
embarrassing, Ruby.
It's like, it's beautiful here.
I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. Okay? You gotta stay this time. I know. I'll be back, okay, buddy? That's a good boy. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye, buddy.
Why I just take her everywhere with me. I can't do it. Oh.
So we have plans, Katie, to play this game number 6. Michael got on the plane, he had a cigar.
So sleepy.
He wanted to speak to the team. Everybody's drinking back.
I know you love me, but seriously, can I not have a moment?
No boundaries. The dog is like, I could get used to this. So cute. Okay, one more.
Oh! Who did that?
Oh.
Come here. Come here. Who did it? Look. Look. Who done it? Who done it?
Aww. Hey, at least there was remorse. So cute. I hope those videos made you smile. I know they made me smile. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Let me know your thoughts and any opinions you had on those videos. And thank you so much for checking out my channel. And I'll see you in the next ones.